Hello, children. I'm Ashi the turtle. Today we are here with another wonderful story. I hope you have loved the previous ones, and I hope you have subscribed to our channel for more stories. If not, subscribe now or ask your parents' help to subscribe. This is Hoppy the mouse who has come to see me read a story today.
Hi Ashi, I have a question. How do we know who is smarter?
You know, our brain has small neurons in them which help us to think. Scientists say that an animal is smart if it has more neurons.
So, how many neurons do humans have?
Humans have around 16 billion neurons. But don't ask me to start counting them or I will be doing that my whole life. Another interesting thing is that dogs seem to have more than double the neurons than that of a cat, which makes them smarter than cats.
Wow, that is why I see dogs helping people but cats don't.
Correct. But being smart also means using your intelligence in the right place. And that is what today's story is all about. Do you want to hear a story about a monkey who decided to give justice to two fighting cats?
Yes! Hippo TV!
Today we are reading a story about a monkey and two cats. The title of the story is The Monkey Justice. Once, two cats saw a piece of bread. See how greedily the cat is looking at the piece of bread. It wants to pounce upon it and eat it all. We all love bread, right? So one of them jumped and picked the bread up. And seeing that, the other cat tried to snatch it. And they started fighting over the piece of bread. The first cat said, "It is mine. I was the first to pick it up." And the second one challenged her, saying, "I saw it first, so it is mine." And so they kept on fighting, scratching each other and bouncing at each other. While they were arguing, a monkey passed by. And see, a monkey saw that the cats are fighting over food. The cats requested him to be their judge, and the monkey agreed and tore the bread into two pieces as if he was going to divide it and going to give one piece to each of the cats. That's what the cats must have thought. But what happened actually? "Both are not equal," he said, and ate a bit from the bigger looking piece. So the monkey divided the bread into two unequal pieces and ate a little bit from the bigger piece. After he ate a little, again the pieces were not equal. So he again ate a bit from the other piece. Now he ate a little bit of bread from the other piece. So that's how he kept on dividing and nibbling and dividing and nibbling. He went on until two very small bits of bread were left. And the cats were worried. The monkey already ate most of the bread. You see how cunning is the monkey. He kept on eating the cat's bread. And finally he said, "These small bits are my fees for serving as a judge." The monkey said, "I helped you settle your dispute and that's why this is my reward." And he ate both the small pieces. He ate all of the bread and the cats were so sad. So we see here that how a third person gained when two were quarreling. So whenever you have a fight, children, try to settle it peacefully among yourselves and not involving other people, because the third person can take advantage of you, just like the monkey did. And the cats did not get anything to eat. So this is our learning for today. We'll come back with another fun story. Bye bye. Have fun.